Morning to all. Today we are going to discuss lesson number 5, Ailing Planet, the Green. As you know that from the last sessions, we have been discussing this in which we discussed about the background of the author, Green Party, role of the Green Party, awareness for the natural resources, right? And the concepts of holistic and ecological. Then we discuss about the development, right? Sustainable development that we use all the natural resources and we use the natural properties, right? Proper decorums and proper manners. We manage all the natural resources which isn't need of the present with the reference of present need and the future needs also called sustainable development. I you yesterday. Now we do have the paragraph that's on your screen. See, one of the early internet which dealt entirely with ecology and environment was Branson, which had distinguished Indian as one of its members. Mr. L.K. Jha, the first Brown, raised the are we to leave our scorch of advancing deserts, landscapes, and ailing. So here we do have a future picture, or we can say that negative pictures of future for the future generation, right? That our expert says our land is right, and this land, desert land or wasteland, and poor land, all the lands, right, is badly populated by the human at present. Mr. Lester R. Brown described in his book The Global Aspect that means the land's biological principle on terms that fisheries, forests, and croplands. But it happen that all these systems disturbed, and this system are badly disturbed. People use this the system by selfishness. They didn't about the future generation as well as the future challenges because all this ecology term, right? Fisheries, landscape, as you find is present on your screen. See, Mr. R. Brown, right, talked about forest, grassland, fish are the four main systems of our planet. Systems are badly corrupted because what happened? Materialistic people or use material from this system, fish, then forest, right? So most of the industry get that raw material from this ecological system. મોટાભાગની છે એનું રો મટીરિયલ ક્યાંથી આવે છે એક ફિશરીઝ ફોરેસ્ટ અને લેન્ડમાંથી ક્રોપલેન્ડ એટલે કે આપણા જે એની વાત કરીએ આપણે એમાંથી મિનરલ એન્ડ પેટ્રોલિયમ્સ આર એક્સેપ્શનલ કેસીસ રાઈટ ખાલી મિનરલ અને છે ધીસ આર એક્સેપ્શનલ કેસીસ રો મટીરિયલ આર વી ગેટ four system of as I told you. Let's we discuss now the paragraph that start. It has that forest precede mankind, desert follows. The world and patrimony of tropical forest eroding at 40 to 50 million acres, and the growing use of dung deprives the soil of an fertilizers. The world that fivefold increase in the planting is need to expected fuel would demand thousand. Explain this right to you. In well said that forest mankind, right, precede that to escape the existence. From ancient time, forest manage our existence. બરાબર ના લીધે જ જીવ્યા છે જંગલો છે desert, right? So once we is also a important land, right? But low. So if we proceed, that means if we proceed, if we forest, green forest, then it The world NC money of tropical forest, right? That means estimations, evolution. Tropical forest, you know, right? You must me assess rainy forest, tropical forest. So is now eroding at the rate to 50 million, right? So 40 to 50, 40 થી 50 લાખ માંથી જંગલો દર વર્ષે, and the growing for burning deprives the soil important natural fertilizers, right? So importance of the soil is used without any manners or without. The World Bank estimate fold increase in the rate planting is needed to cope with the fuel wood demand in, right? So planting, if we complete to demand, right, it's a past year for us. But as you know that this is an article written in 95 round around. So a lots of forest will be cut for the flight of 2000. Our industrializations and civilizations and life are going on and on. It may be definitely, right. It's fulfill the needs. Now, what James Pat, World Resources Institute, the other day, we were saying losing the forest at an acre, but it's much closer and a half to a second. So, according to the survey resources, head of the natural resources, James Pat, he said that in a 1 second, forest of 1 acre world. This is a talk of, right, and president of, and according to the press sources, it right that we lost forest, a acre forest second, એટલે કે એક સેકન્ડ 1 એકર જેટલા જંગલો કપાઈ જાય છે, જે વર્લ્ડ રિસોર્સિસ ઇન્સ્ટિટ્યૂટના જે એમને કહ્યું. નાઉ કોન્સ્ટિટ્યુશન, સી આર્ટિકલ 48A of the constitution of provides that the states endeavor to protect and implement and to safeguard the forest and wildlife. But what caused anguish fact that laws were never respected enforced in India. For constitution say that casteism, untouchability, labor shall be abolished, flourished seamlessly in 4 years of the operation of the. A recent report of estimates has highlighted the near catastrophic of India's forest for decades. India reliable data its forests at the rate of 7 million acres officially designated as forest land are already virtually treeless. Actual loss of forest is estimated 8 times the rate indicate statistic. Now see, it's talked about India to our constitutional article A. બરાબર? આપણું જે article A, જેમ આપણે ભણ્યા હતા કે preservation of our natural heritage, right? એનો એક આર્ટિકલ 1A, બરાબર? તો કેવું હતું કે we have to protect our, આપણે બધાએ નેચરલ રિસોર્સ કરવાના છે, આવું હતું. એ રીતે there is a article 48A in for forest resources. So according to A, this is the to protect state responsibility to protect and natural resources and only protect but improve it also. આર્ટિકલ 48 પ્રમાણે કોની જોબ? ગવર્મેન્ટની, નેશનલ ગવર્મેન્ટ ને સ્ટેટ ગવર્મેન્ટ, કે જે નેચરલ રિસોર્સિસ અથવા તો એનું શું કરવું, એનું પ્રોટેક્ટમાં ઇમ્પ્રુવમેન્ટ કરવું. But rules are implemented, constitutional rules are not properly on the people. Happen, right? That in India, forest dis very quickly or great speed. So due to the lack of patience of the law trees, right? Many areas are declared and surveyed forest, but even area are treeless now. એવા છે કે જેમાં એરિયા તરીકે જાહેર થાય છે, પણ ત્યાં ઘણા છે અને ત્યાં નથી, ખાલી પ્લેન ગ્રાઉન્ડ છે, વેસ્ટ લેન્ડ છે સિચ્યુએશન. Now, because in India, right? Lots of problems, social problems are also of casteism, untouchability, right? So due to all these social evils lies in the problem of are there, and the problem of also there. So rate of disappearing 3.7 million acres a year. પેલામાં કેવું હતું, આગળ જે પ્રેસિડેન્ટ ઓફ નેચરલ રિસોર્સિસ એમને કહ્યું હતું કે એમાં 1 એકર ફોરેસ્ટ એરિયા આપણે ગુમાવી દઈએ છીએ, કાપી નાખે છે લોકો. છે જો 3 acres a year જે છે report, right, have a great loss of forest, and the statistic of is changed or 3 times during a year. એટલે કે ગ્રાફ અપ જ જાય છે ફોરેસ્ટ કાપવાનો, અને 3 times in a year, બરાબર, વર્ષમાં 3 વખત બદલાય છે, બરાબર. તો થી માર્ચ સુધીનો આવે એમાં 7 હોય, તો પછી જુલાઈ સુધીનો આવે તો એમાં 3. આ રીતના રિપોર્ટ્સમાં બદલાય છે, પણ કેવા છે, એક રિપોર્ટ છે પ્રોગ્રેસિવ રિપોર્ટ ઇન ધ નેગેટિવ સેન્સ, વધારે કપાય છે. ઓકે, so discussion about this paragraph on your screen. Okay, you have any question? કોઈને કંઈ પૂછવું છે હજુ? Do you have any question? Student, do you have any question? Can we go ahead? Okay, thank you. Last paragraph, right? We are going to complete 2 paragraphs that you may find on. So, are we using satellites and photography conducted by United Nations warns that the environment has so badly that it's critically in many of the areas investigated. About, right, right, you may see such kind of satellite on your TV screen, right, on news. So the set proved that the forests are bad or vastly disappeared or very, and due to the human activity forests are very badly disappeared. That's badly the atmospheric layer balance of the nature on. So nation wants all the because their forest, all the nation's forests are badly cut of human activity. So last paragraph of today's discussion, there can be no doubt that the growth population is one of the strongest distorting the future of human, right? So as with human population is by day due to the medical facility means improving, right, improving aspects means foods, medical facilities, awareness, such type modern science help human to population, and that population or that increase the humans, right, need a residents, need a transportation facility, need fuels, need lots of needs around human population means day by day. So as I, right, all the industry get from this 4 biosystem of the planet. તમને ખબર જ છે કે માણસ હવે એક આવરનો પ્રોબ્લેમ છે. હવે આવ્યો? હવે આવ્યો? હા, થોડું અહીંયા શું છે તો પણ ટાવર જતું રહે છે એટલે એવું લાગતું, બરાબર છે. હવે તો આવે ને અવાજ બરાબર? સ્ટુડન્ટ, to you, student, my voice is audible to you? Can you listen me? તો શું થાય કે હ્યુમન પોપ્યુલેશન વધે, નોટ ઓનલી ઇન ઇન્ડિયા બટ ઇન વર્લ્ડ ઓલ્સો. વર્લ્ડમાં બી પોપ્યુલેશન વધે તો શું થાય, ને એટલા મકાનો જોઈએ, એટલું ફ્યુલ જોઈએ, બરાબર, એટલી ગાડીઓ વધે, એટલા બાઇક વધે, બરાબર, બધા એર કન્ડિશન વધે, એટલી ઇલેક્ટ્રિસિટી એક્ઝમ્પ વધે, બરાબર, એ બધું વધે જ. હવે એ બધા એનર્જી રિસોર્સ જનરેટ કરવા માટેના જે રિસોર્સિસ છે, સો ધેટ રિસોર્સિસ that means maintain from nature. જે રિસોર્સિસ છે એ ક્યાંથી આપણે મેન્ટેન કરીએ? નેચરમાંથી. એટલે કે ફોરેસ્ટ ને જે બધા નેચરલ છે એમાંથી કરીએ, અને બહુ જ કરીએ એટલે ઇટ, સો ધેટ્સ વાય the very major reasons for destruction of forest is human population. Now figures, it took men a million years to reach the first. That's the world population 1800. By the year 100, a second billion was added. So first billion takes population જ્યારે human population થયું ત્યારે બહુ વાર લાગી. Second billion by the year in 100 second billion add. Then and the tree has added another 3.7 billion. So 20 એ figure triple થઈ and billion થઈ. The present world populated at 5.7 billion. Present world population is estimated at billion. The present world population 5.7 billion. As the world population increased by so every 4 days now sun is increased by 1 billion. So that reason what happened, our natural resources is right very corruptly used and that badly affect our way. This is what the thing is, right? So our natural resources are bad by human due to its population and we don't have approach, right? And third, we are not aware, we not keep in mind a future generation and using natural resources with proper. So this is what discussion. Do you have any question now?